Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Wakakadash. Double honors to the elders and apostles of Great Millstone, preaching this word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim that be like unto the speckled bird, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And I say shalom to you, Akim, out there. And this is abcnews.go.com. And this is a news article for In the News on November the 4th, 2022. On this Friday morning at 9:52 a.m. Central Standard Time. And this is by the Associated Press on November the 4th, 2022 at 9:18 a.m. And the highlight of this news article, and it reads for In the News on November 4th, 2022. And it says a magnitude of a 6.1 quake shakes northwest Mexico. No damages seen. A magnitude of a 6.1 earthquake has shaken Mexico's Baja California peninsula, but there are no immediately reports of damage or injuries. It says Mexico City. It says a magnitude of a 6.1 earthquake shook Mexico's Baja California peninsula early Friday, but there were no immediate reports of damage or injuries. The U.S. Geological Survey says the epicenter was 50 miles and 80 kilometers south or southwest of Baja de Quino in the Gulf of California. The earthquake occurred at a depth of 6.2 miles and 10 kilometers. The Baja California Sur State Civil Defense Agency says that despite an initial tsunami alert issued by the Mexican Navy, but there was no notable variations in sea level. The tremor occurred around 3 a.m. local time. The civil defense in the state of Sonora on the other side of the Gulf also said there were no initial reports of damage, but the quake was felt in coastal communities. This is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 11. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, famines and pestilence and fearful sights, and great signs shall there be from heaven. Right, because you're going to have signs of earthquakes in diverse places. And that's what we've been seeing for the past couple of days, in the last couple of weeks. Last week or so, week and a half, you had an earthquake over there in San Francisco, as I mentioned before, previous in my video, about a week and a half ago. I believe that was like a 5.1 magnitude of an earthquake in the San Francisco region. And then previously you had, once again, in the California region, over there, the northern Pacific Ocean part of California, over there in that region. Like 2 days ago, day before yesterday, that was like a 6.0 magnitude of an earthquake. Now you got this one happening early Friday morning, 3 a.m. of Mexico City. That got shook with a 6.0 or 6.1 magnitude of an earthquake. They felt effects of it, but it wasn't no, according to the reports, it wasn't no immediate damage or nothing like that. So that shows you that, continuing signs of earthquakes in diverse places. And it's going to increase more and more and more, So with that, this was just a in the news lesson, sit down lesson on this November 4th, 2022, on this Friday morning at 9:57 a.m. Central Standard Time. And I hope this quick sit down in the news lesson was edifying, along with the scripture that I brung out, along with reading a news article. And with that, I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem Kakadash. Double honors to the elders and apostles of Great Millstone, preaching this word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word. And shalom to the Akim that be like unto the speckled bird, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And until next time, I will say shalom in the ball.